Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. An issue that I thought of when reading a prior video, I'm not going to quote the actual comment. I do apologize to the commenter. I just didn't have time when we were kind of rushing in here to make these videos to pull your comment, but I know who you are and thank you very much for it. On a prior video, we were talking about Social Security issues for Americans, and a commenter who I happen to know, we've seen him in the office, hats off to you, sir, brought up a good point talking about mailing issues associated with Social Security. And I thought of making this video in a more general vein, if you will, because it brought up a good point. And that person was basically saying, look, Social Security does periodic checks to make sure you're actually alive if they're sending you pension benefits. And one of those is that they may send you something by mail that you then have to call in to confirm that, yes, I am this person. And those that live abroad may have some problems with that. Well, this brings up the issue of mail generally and expat mailing issues. I think generally speaking, it is a good idea to hook yourself up with a mail forwarding service, especially one that can scan your mail and email it to you in a timely manner so that you essentially see a digital version of your mail, basically in real time as it's received, for exactly this reason pertaining to, Social Security just being one thing. There could be other things, banking, for example, credit cards, these type of things where, you may receive mail that's of some urgency, even, legal proceedings and things of this nature that you may need to be aware of via mail. So again, the thing to take away from this video is I definitely think it's a good idea to have some form of mail forwarding service, especially if you're going to be a true expat. I mean, you're really living abroad. And folks know the difference. I think they know in their own circumstances if they're really moving abroad or if they're going to do half their time in one place, half their time in another. That may not really require them to have these sort of mail services facilities. But for those who really are becoming expats, yeah, mail forwarding is something you should really take into consideration.